Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make presentation on mobile using the Canva application. So you may have heard about the Canva applications, and it is a very good app for like graphic designing and etc, or for other things too, like Instagram posters, YouTube thumbnails, phone wallpapers, your stories, YouTube channel art, for collage, resumes, like CVs, certificates, presentations. Our topic is about presentation, so I'll click on see all. Okay, there are many templates available. These are all free and copyright free. Images available here are always copyright free. No like strike will be given to you while using the presentation, or like if you are presenting somewhere online on YouTube or etc, you will never given no strike because it's all copyright free. And if presentation mostly like consist of a YouTube thing, so that's why I'm asking. So for example, if I choose the thing here on this one, okay, so I have this template. Now this is also copyright free. All these are copyright free. There are hundred of thousands of like maybe hundred thousands of available. So they count with me, 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 templates are available in this presentation. And like presentation is always in a video form, so you can create here. For example, if I'm like only show you how to edit on the first, and then you can create further. For example, if I'm showing that I am creating the videos on 10 different topics, and for example, I have to show my thumbnails to them. So I will click here. For example, if I am making how to make a present, leave that. I only write here that make presentations on mobile. Okay, I click this and I just scroll down to the left side so it fit exactly here. And look, a bit more will do it fine for me. Okay, you can scroll down here, and if you want to cut anything, you can delete simply from here. And if you don't want this one side like color to any type, you can also change the color of it. If I don't want this, I will delete also this. Okay, make presentation, it's totally like fit on here. And also this one, not, I don't need that, so I will cut it also. Now make presentations on top, I will click on this top. And for example, if I add more text, I can also add more text to it. This is the add heading, will appear. You will click here and it appears. So you will click here and you will write here that first time on YouTube. Okay, like, or I write here like uh, professional professional way. Okay, I write this, for example. Okay, now I will scroll it right to the left so it that exactly fit here. And like little this stuff type so that it fit it. It is now fitted exactly there. And for example, if I want to change the picture, I can also replace the picture by something I have in here. Okay, this is for example a picture. I can also scroll down it to the other location. Okay, for example, if I scroll down here, look, professional way, the right this side, for example, to the picture, and I will paste the picture here. Okay, so you can do anything you want here. Okay, and also if I like want to write a subheading, I can also write that. For example, I write here my channel name, this, and I place it right down to the this side, and you cannot see it, so you can change the color of the font. For example, if I use black, it will be appear here, and I want to bigger its size, and it will do that. So hope you understand. You can also do for the rest of this, and you can save it like in the video form. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you have liked, share, and subscribe the video. And also if you have any question, do comment down below.